In this video, we will explore why most INFJs aren't afraid of dying. Understanding the fear of death. As human beings, the concept of death can be both intriguing and frightening. Many people harbor a deep-rooted fear of dying, as it symbolizes the end of life and the unknown. However, when it comes to INFJs, they tend to approach the topic of death with a unique perspective. Embracing the natural cycle of life. One of the key reasons why most INFJs aren't afraid of dying is their profound understanding and acceptance of the natural cycle of life. INFJs are highly intuitive and empathetic individuals, and they see life as a journey with a beginning and an end. They recognize that death is an inevitable part of this journey and embrace it as a natural process. Spirituality and belief system. INFJs often have a strong sense of spirituality and belief in something greater than themselves. Whether it's through religion, philosophy, or a personal connection with the universe, their spiritual beliefs provide them with comfort and solace when contemplating the idea of death. This connection gives them a sense of purpose and a belief that there is more beyond this earthly existence. The beauty of transcendence. For INFJs, death is not just an end, but a beginning of a new phase. They believe in the beauty of transcendence, where the soul moves on to another realm or dimension. This belief in life after death brings them a sense of peace, allowing them to let go of the fear of dying. Living authentically and fearlessly. INFJs are known for their authenticity and their ability to live true to themselves. They prioritize living a meaningful and purposeful life rather than being consumed by the fear of death. By living fearlessly, they create a legacy of genuine connections and positive impacts on others, leaving a lasting imprint even after they are gone. Embracing moments of impermanence. INFJs have an extraordinary appreciation for the present moment and understand the impermanence of life. Rather than dwelling on the fear of dying, they focus on making the most of their time, cherishing the relationships they have, and pursuing their passions and dreams. Finding comfort in connection. Another reason why most INFJs are not afraid of dying is their strong sense of connection with others. They find comfort in the knowledge that their influence and impact will continue through the memories and love shared with their loved ones. This sense of interconnectedness provides them with a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment. Embracing change and transformation. INFJs are open to change and transformation, both in life and in death. They see death as a natural transition, just like any other transformational experience they encounter throughout life. This adaptability helps them face the idea of dying with grace and acceptance. Letting go of fear through mindfulness. Mindfulness plays a significant role in an INFJ's approach to life and death. They practice being present in the moment, which allows them to let go of unnecessary fears and anxieties, including the fear of dying. By staying focused on the now, they find peace and tranquility. Most INFJs have a unique perspective on death, which sets them apart from many others. Their understanding of the natural cycle of life, strong spirituality, and belief in transcendence enable them to embrace death with grace and courage. By living authentically, cherishing the present, and finding comfort in connection, they have learned to let go of the fear of dying and, instead, focus on living life to the fullest. Embracing change and practicing mindfulness, INFJs show us that death can be approached with acceptance and even beauty.